Okay, so front mount intercooler on a 93 to 01 Impreza, specifically here at Gf8 or an Outback Sport. This is a 97, but it should be about the same for everything. 93 to 91. The only exception will be people with the RS bumper already, the RS front end, RS25 front end. Won't have as many issues with the bumper beam, but the vast majority of people that are probably doing this do not have that bumper beam and probably modified it. So here's the first step. Okay, so when you go to put this up here, you can see the bumper beam is trimmed. I have the bumper beam trimmed to accommodate the RS bumper. So this is a stock 97 OBS bumper beam. I've trimmed, it's about double the length normally. You can find it online, like look, you know, how to trim up an L bumper for an RS 25 bumper or the bumper beam. Basically that 1 inch kind of metal bar there's actually 2 of those. And you kind of cut the bottom one off, just cut it across, and then the bumper beam fits. The issue with this front mount install though is the RS bumper beam doesn't have that inch gap right there. It doesn't have that inch of metal. It more comes up a little bit there in the middle. So it doesn't need that 1 inch on the bottom. It'll be a little bit taller, more like right there. So that would help with this front mount install, because as you can see, that's about where I want to put it for it to be coming out the bumper perfectly. So I need to either cut that metal out. It's right here. Let's take this down. You can already see that, this has been cut. I cut this with the Sawzall to accommodate the RS bumper that's over there. But now that I'm sawing the front mount again, what it looks like I'm going to have to do is cut like to about right here. Actually, I'd probably cut up here and then down. So like up this way on this hole and then over. The only issue I see with that is a structural integrity one. So now I'm having this thin line of kind of front end protection, which if I'm going to do that, I might as well just get the JDM bumper beam, which is pretty much worthless. It's just like one line of metal, and it's very flimsy. You can like kick it and bend it. So if you got into a front end collision, it would just destroy the front end. So my thinking is don't cut this at all. It's going to hang a little bit lower than it normally would. Probably it may stick out the bumper on the bottom about this much, but I'm going to see if I can compensate for that, doing a couple different things. But for right now, these tabs that are sticking off the mounts for the for the front mount here, what I'll do is in this bumper, I'll actually drill holes up that are large enough to accommodate those. So the front mount will actually sit flush with this bottom piece, if that makes sense. I mean, I'll have to show you, but again, drill a hole and then kind of shove this entire thing in that hole and then put a bolt up top. So that is the plan there. Then I have the piping to worry about, which I've heard numerous things about the piping. The piping just doesn't fit for these cars, whether you order it for an 02 WRX, 02 to 07 WRX, or for a GC8, it just doesn't fit. You have to modify the pipes in some way. So then if you modify the pipes, like the person who had this before me did, let me see if I can find an exact pipe that they just mutilated. I have one down here somewhere. Oh, it's over here actually. So you can see this is a normal beaded end, and then this is one that they just like hacked. Which again, I can use all this. I'm gonna like sand it all down and probably paint it, but at least sand it because it's got like yellow paint on it and stuff. But there is a way to actually bead pipe once you cut it. So that's the major concern, is once you cut pipe, then you're going to you have to take it to somebody and have them beat it. And beating is not beating, beating. So it's basically, you can see kind of the lip there. What you can actually do, and I'll show a video on this. You can actually use like an old exhaust clamp. Let's see if I have one here. I do. Sweet. So you can actually use an old exhaust clamp like this one. Put it around this right here. Kind of torque it down. And then as you go through, you can kind of squeeze it and apply pressure to it. So basically that's going to have, when you tighten that down, there's going to be that hole in the middle of the exhaust clamp, right? So then you kind of squeeze, like take like a vice clamp with something that's kind of like, that'll pinch in between here. So basically you're tightening this down, shoving a vice clamp or pliers in here with something that has like a straight edge. So every time you clamp, it's going into that hole and kind of making the bead for you. It's really kind of a cheaper way of doing it, but I mean, it works. It's not going to look as pretty as this, but it will be beaded and it will prevent boost leaks. So that's the huge thing. All right, so that's the first walkthrough of what I'm trying to do. I'll upload more and more videos about this front end install because it's a little bit more involved with these vehicles.